Hi friends, in this video I would be showing always on display settings. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go to wallpapers and style, tap here, then tap on always on display, tap here. First we need to turn on always on display, tap here and turn on always on display, done. And here if you go down you can see system generated always on displays. From here you can select one, so let me test this one, select it, then tap on apply, done. So I am going to test it. Just lock the phone, then please wait, and here you can see always on display. So we can customize this, so I will show you how we can customize. For customize this always on display you can tap on display settings, tap here, then tap on info, and here you can customize. So if you don't want time you can remove it. See, date, battery, notifications. See, this way we can customize. Let me go back. Here we can select display mode. We can show always on display all day or schedule. So we can also select this power saving mode. Let me go back. Next I will show you how we can create our own always on display, how to create customized always on display. Let me go down. Under this personalized, select this text and image, tap on this icon, then from your phone you can select one image. Let me select this image, then tap on this icon on top right corner, and here you can adjust, see, corners. You can blur it. Okay, then if you want to change color you can change color here. So if you want to add one text you can add text here. Hi. Okay, then apply this, tap on apply, done. So here you can see the customized always on display. Let me test. Lock the phone, please wait. See, this way we can create our own always on display. So these are the always on display settings. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.